Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting mobile money. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Trading is a stressful and tedious activity without having to worry about struggling with deposits and withdrawal methods. One of the most recent innovations involves mobile money, which is money that is stored in an account that is operated by telecommunications companies. The mobile number of the user and other details are integral components involved with the transaction process. The unique nature attributed to mobile phone numbers can also be enhanced further by making use of biometric registration, which ensures extra client fund security. With innovations such as these, more Forex brokers are accommodating deposits and withdrawals made through various mobile money services. Traders who are looking for a list of some of the best brokers who accept mobile money might find it a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting mobile money. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, over 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental, technical, and analytical panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education with Tickmill. At number 4 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license, with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on demo, standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ option. Coming in at number 3 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best brokers accepting mobile money, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts, with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers accepting mobile money on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.